How to delete all TikTok videos at once. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on your profile. Now, go to your feed and open any video. Then tap on the three dots on the right side as shown. Here, you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Delete to delete this video. You can also delete your account by tapping on the menu at the top right corner. Then, go over to Settings and Privacy on the bottom. Here, go to Account and then tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Now, tap on Delete Account Permanently. On this page, select the reason why you want to delete your TikTok account from the suggested options. You can also skip this part if you want. Here, you can request to download your TikTok data before deleting your account. If not, then just tick the option below as shown and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again to confirm deletion. Another way is to report the problem. Go back to the Settings and Privacy page, then scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Chat with us. Now, you can send a message to TikTok support regarding the type of issue you're facing. Following these steps, you can easily delete all TikTok videos at once.